Welcome to a glimpse into the future. These 15 groundbreaking technologies are set to transform how we live, move, build, and interact with the world around us. So, buckle up as we explore these 15 pieces of the future. Let's talk about speed, a fundamental leap in how quickly we can move things, from goods and services to information and ideas. Whether it's people, data, or development, speed is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives. Concepts like hyperloops and next-generation supersonic travel are moving from designs to prototypes, promising to cut travel times drastically. AI development is accelerating, solving complex problems and optimizing high-speed systems, making processes more efficient than ever before. Imagine drastically reduced travel times transforming global business and personal relationships, bringing people closer together. Consider AI accelerating scientific discovery, leading to breakthroughs at an unprecedented pace, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. With great speed comes great responsibility. Infrastructure, energy consumption, and societal adjustments must be carefully managed. It's about unlocking new potentials, shrinking the world, and challenging our understanding of what's possible, creating a more connected and efficient world. These aren't just improvements. They represent a paradigm shift, a new era of speed and efficiency. It's a space we'll be watching closely as the future unfolds at an ever-increasing pace. Meet the Volonaut Airbike, a genuine single-person flying bike designed to revolutionize the way we think about personal transportation. Aiming to make personal aerial commuting a reality, this innovative vehicle promises to change our daily commutes forever. Imagine skipping traffic jams by taking to the skies on your own compact vehicle. No more waiting in line, just smooth, uninterrupted travel. The design combines advanced drone technology with lightweight carbon fiber materials, ensuring both agility and energy efficiency. The potential impact could be transformative for urban mobility, offering a three-dimensional solution to congestion. Imagine a future where the sky is filled with these sleek, efficient vehicles. While still emerging, it's a development worth keeping an eye on. The Volonaut Airbike could very well be the next big leap in personal transportation technology. Next, we're heading to orbit with the Axiom Station, the first commercial space station. This groundbreaking project is set to revolutionize how we think about space travel and habitation. Imagine a place where not just astronauts but private citizens, researchers, and even tourists can live and work in space. Axiom Space is building modules that will initially attach to the ISS and later become a free-flying commercial hub. These modules are designed to be versatile and multifunctional, providing a range of services from research labs to living quarters. It's about creating a versatile platform for a new economy in space, supporting tourism and in-space research. Imagine being able to conduct experiments in microgravity or even manufacture unique materials that can't be made on Earth. Imagine labs for experiments in microgravity or manufacturing unique materials. The possibilities are endless, from new medical treatments to advanced materials that could revolutionize industries back on Earth. This could democratize space research and accelerate breakthroughs. By providing access to space for a wider range of people and organizations, we can expect a surge in innovation and discovery. Challenges include cost, complexity, and ensuring safety in space. Building a space station is no small feat, and it requires cutting-edge technology and meticulous planning. Axiom Station is a crucial piece of infrastructure for the burgeoning space economy. It represents a significant step forward in our ability to live and work in space, paving the way for future space colonies and even interplanetary travel. It's a bold project already underway, with modules being built and launch timelines in place. The future of space is closer than we think, and Axiom Station is leading the charge. Let's look at how we're designing the world with tools from the Autodesk AEC Showreel. Advanced software is revolutionizing how we plan, design, and manage buildings and infrastructure. It's about creating smarter, more sustainable cities for the future. Introducing the Unitree G1 humanoid robot, emphasizing agility and intelligent assistance. Designed to navigate human environments and perform useful tasks, it's nimble and responsive. Key features include advanced sensors, AI for decision-making, and high-performance actuators. Potential applications range from home assistance to industrial tasks. The G1 represents a step forward in creating robots as genuine collaborators. Meet the Slate truck, a next-gen electric utility vehicle designed for durability and versatility. It's proving that electric power can handle tough jobs, from construction to off-road conditions. Electrifying utility vehicles can reduce emissions and offer lower running costs. The Slate truck is a practical application of futuristic tech with real-world impact. The dream of the flying car is becoming a reality with the AeroHT X3 from XPeng AeroHT. A dual-mode vehicle, it offers road and aerial capabilities. The X3 features a foldable rotor mechanism for seamless transitions. It could redefine commuting, especially in congested urban areas. Challenges include regulatory hurdles, cost, and infrastructure. The X3 is a serious attempt to crack the flying car code. The Pulsar-L is a concept for high-speed urban commuting, engineered for performance and agility. It's about efficient, fast, personal mobility within the urban landscape. Likely electric, it offers instant torque for quick acceleration. The Pulsar-L points towards a future of diverse and specialized urban transportation. It's an exploration of personal urban mobility with cutting-edge design. Introducing WAYA, a concept for a floating, solar-powered smart home. It offers sustainable autonomous living on the water. Key features include solar power, smart technology, and off-grid capability. WAYA addresses environmental concerns and offers a unique lifestyle. Challenges include cost, maintenance, and regulatory approvals. It's a bold vision for the future of housing. The DJI Agras T50 is an AI-powered agricultural drone for precision farming. It offers intelligent route planning and variable rate application of inputs. The impact includes reduced waste, lower costs, and improved crop quality. Drones can access challenging areas, making farming more sustainable. The Agras T50 empowers farmers with advanced capabilities. It's a practical application of cutting-edge tech in agriculture. Meet Aria Gen 2, a humanoid robot with expressive design for enhanced interaction. It's about creating robots that communicate and connect intuitively. Features include facial expressions, body language, and vocalizations. Applications range from healthcare to education and customer service. Challenges include the uncanny valley and sophisticated AI. Aria Gen 2 represents a direction in robotics for social adeptness. Huenit is a modular AI assistant for makers and creatives. A versatile robotic arm system with swappable modules for various tasks. It democratizes access to diverse manufacturing and creative technologies. Huenit empowers individuals to bring ideas to life with ease. China's T-Flight is a Maglev train project targeting 4,000 kilometers per h. It involves Maglev trains in low-pressure tubes to reduce air resistance. The impact could reshape long-distance travel, making it faster than flying. Challenges include cost, land use, and economic viability. T-Flight demonstrates China's ambition in transportation technology. It's a testament to human ingenuity in connecting the world. AeRALIS is a modular military jet system from the UK. It proposes a common core fuselage adaptable for different roles. The approach reduces cost and increases operational flexibility. AeRALIS offers a path to versatile air capability at lower costs. It's a forward-thinking concept for military aerospace. LEVA is a Hyperlight AI-optimized transport pod for urban transportation. It focuses on lightweight construction and intelligent operation. The impact could be a more sustainable urban transport system. Challenges include infrastructure and public acceptance. LEVA encourages us to think beyond current transportation paradigms. There you have it, 15 technologies pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Understanding these advancements is crucial as they reshape our lives. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.